Hi, today I'm going to start with a quick unboxing before I get to the demo of the Daran 89.6 watt hour battery station. This is their R101 model, and it is a 100-watt portable charger with AC outlet. It accommodates up to a 200-watt surge, so when you initially turn something on, if it pulls more than 100 watts, it'll accommodate that. You can charge it with a solar panel. It's got 4 USB ports on it, including USB-C, fast charging, a USB-A. It's got a light on the back, as you can see, and it's all around really cool because it's TSA approved as well. I'm going to start off showing the AC function first. I have a LED bulb here connected to the AC port on the side, and there's two separate buttons. There's one on the right for the AC and one on the left for DC. So you can either turn them on and off separately, or you can have them both on at the same time. Here's yet another test of the AC side. I'm using a Canon charger to charge up a battery. As you can see here, plugs right in. There you go. You can see the charging happening right there on your screen. And what I'm going to do is combine the DC as well. So I have my iPhone. This is a 15 Pro Max plugged in. As you can see, it's charging. I still have the other battery charging on AC. And I've put a third device, which is a DJI action camera, and it's charging. So I have all three charging at the same time. And it's really amazing that you can get so much functionality out of such a small device. Okay, so I wanted to sum up my thoughts on this Daran R101 power station, and it is something different and unique, I think. There's many of us that have a dedicated power center or station, some of the bigger ones that you can see all over the place, even the ones that you can take camping with you, or can even back up part of your house. But have you seen one this size with nearly all the same options? I mean, you've got solar panel ability, DC, AC, you even have a light on the back. I mean, the fact that you can take it on an airplane, it's TSA approved, and you can put it in your backpack. I just think that it's a great device to have. And it's if you're looking for something uh, like this, or you might could see a use case for it, I highly recommend looking at the Daran R101 power station. Thanks.